Hi everyone, we are going to discuss the fourth question in the database management system unit. Okay, you can see the fourth question in the screen. First of all, we will read the question and let's discuss later. You have given the institute to develop the school system of Kagaru Mahavidyalaya. Your part in this software is to create a database. With this software, you can easily manage all student information, all teacher information, class schedules, etc. According to the question, you have to create a database to the software that created for the Kagalu Mahavidyalaya. Okay, let's move to the first question. Use Kagalu_Vidyalaya_DB as the name of the database. Draw an ER diagram. Okay, to do this, I use MySQL Workbench. I open it and I click on the MySQL connection. To create a ER diagram, I go to File and New Model. Okay, here I change the database name as Kagalu_Vidyalaya_DB, which is given in the question. First question is done. Let's move to the second question. Create a table to store student information and the guardian information. Follow the instructions below when creating this table. Okay, let's create this table. Now we are going to create the first table using ER diagram. To do that, double click on here. Now click on the table icon and click on the space given there. The table name is student, so I type it here. Now we are going to add the column names. First one is index_number. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Second one is first_name. Data type is varchar and length is 45. Third one is last_name. Data type is again varchar and the length is also 45. Fourth one is gender. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Fifth one is contact_number. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. So the last one is address. And the data type is varchar and the length is 60. First table is done. Now we are going to create the second table. To do that, I click on the table icon and again click on the space given there. The table name is guardian. Now I am going to add the column names of the table. First one is guardian_ID. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Second one is first_name. Data type is varchar and length is 45. Third one is last_name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. Fourth one is gender. Data type is varchar but the length is 10. Last one, contact_number. Data type is varchar and the length is also 10. We create the second table. Okay, let's move to the third question. Name the relationship between the two tables, student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram you created. Okay, here every student has only one guardian, but a guardian can have more than one student. Therefore, there is a one-to-many relationship among the student table and the guardian table. Let's move to the fourth question. A teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. Okay, let's create the teacher table. I click on the table icon and I click on the space given there. Table name is teacher. Now we are going to add the column names. First one is teacher underscore rec underscore number. Data type is varchar and length is 10. Second one is first underscore name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. Third one is last underscore name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. Fourth one is gender. Data type is varchar but the length is 10. Fifth one is contact underscore number. Data type is varchar and the length is again 10. Last one is email and the data type is varchar. Length is 50. We create the teacher table. Now we are going to create the subject table. I click on the table icon and click on the given space. Table name is subject. Now I am going to create the column names. First one is subject underscore ID. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Second one is subject underscore name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. Okay, the subject table is done. Okay, here there can be a teacher that teaches more than one subject, as well as there are more than one teachers that teach the same subject. So here there is a many-to-many relationship among the teacher table and the subject table. But many-to-many relationships cannot exist. So when we create in that relationship, it auto-generates a separate table called teacher has subject. So this table has primary keys. Those primary keys are the primary keys of the teacher table and the student table. I give it a new primary key called ID to reduce the data duplication, and I set the data type as int and I set to auto increment. Last question is done. Okay, now go to database and go to forward engineer. Then click on next. Okay, after you finish that, you can see the databases that we created. Okay, here, first of all, I refresh the schemas, and now you can see the database that we created, as well as the tables. Okay, we create the database in the first question, and the student table in the second question, and the guardian table. In the third question, we mark the relationship among the student table and the guardian table. In the fourth one, we create the teacher table and the subject table, and we create the relationship among the teacher table and the subject table. Okay, the question set 4 is done.